Enjoy ana video bi abeto abonte ani na echiri ma chese Angel TV broadcaster Angel FM broadcaster KOFI ADOMAH wo nya dodo na name as KOFI TV a confirmation bi akoto e de ahye no so a Nyankopon enti omanje ne nkwa ade afinesem na so sama na wo kanina ene se obehwe petrol e de gu no so ama na hye ene obeto na nanom e wontie do na maami bi ono so ebo ne bra e wo abrochue ba oye Ghana ni odwen Ghana fon papa eye edin ba kumienu abeto abonte a wochi ma chese kamia koyese mpanyfo wo Ghana memo ha say emfa ona entwe wadwen emfa nko crime rate so na eninti ana wo de wa abrochi honom no oma creative group bi e wo honom a wo chire ma chese ye from freedom fighters for no enkophobia wo kon editia crime rate ene ensembi a enko ye e wo Ghana memo ha say ono so e chire ma what abrochi so news bi e koso wo Ghana memo ha say no once wetie bia kamia koyese social media handlers for no mukita social media no and the shows hu yankwa ana woyie owie so news a ekoso 6 o'clock news 12 o'clock news a ekoso ni na obehu ni ase yekunwe bo ni ase yakọ repiwe eni na eyade anka mpanifo no eso wetina wona so a bibia ebetimi atodin ewo Ghana mem hase wasanso de Ghana etoto Nigeria ehu yebekọ ni akotie ma mene de abanance ma menka o say attention TV so ana wodi me din hia ne patcho so won subscribe mama on like ye kopia so on Facebook so follow like comment and also share and sana no homeka o say University Foundation and astumas na me jumide ebesumo ne number N054 830298 for the Nka Foundation and I say wa pesa wo ko boa foundation bi no one ne enkasa wo moa edema
Nigeria na esi KOFI TV so we Ghana Ekromo Ghana ya na ye ka Ghana asema mumu bi adwen ne se Ghana no ensem keka ne ye pe mumu bi adwen ne se Ghana no ensem keka ene ye pe mumu bi adwen ne se sora ye gu Ghana animu ase KOFI ADOMAH is popularly known in Ghana. KOFI ADOMAH is popularly known. This video is current right now. Anadria na esi breaking news sesia na esi si wahu ye kase Ghana no wahu sam ye nyina ya nka ya ho amom na ya ma ye mpanimfo ama ye security system no anto so a abusua kro Ghana no wahu aya na ye ntena se ma kro no ma ye te se Nigeria nson ye ntena se emma kro no emma ye te se Nigeria a Nigeria se Nigeria fo wo mo a wo mu kro mu Corona wa team no most of the Nigerian actors no ayi Ghana and o ma beto to mu fie Ghana no ma beto to mu fie why because Nigeria o ma tena wa ma o security system nyina to nsuom e ba ne se ne yentimi tena ho ma e bi nto ye kuro mu Ghana ye beka menka se de ato KOFI ADOMAH wonwani na ye medo enye mede. But yeah, beka this Ghana journalist for shady and ponyankopon ama wo the influence to make sure say ye kasa and now wo no kasa it will send a message out there. Say see the video no see. KOFI ADOMAH wonwani. Yes. Roberts wanted to send him on fire too. Somewhat nka omo pese wo mo hye no. He se komo de Ghana for mrantia. E de enti abrochire ha sei. Woman pesa kombedi youth no se komo de abrantia have no cripple abusia muntie me ye se komo de obi a nipa no komo de obi a adwemboni ba ne tim se moma the maximum level of crime no edru ba bia abrantia twituo no wakasa mi be kunipa onfa ho se wo ye otumfuo onfa ho se wo na wo ye the supreme judge o onfa ho se wo na wo ye KOFI TV o onfa ho se wo na wo di Jackie appeal onfa ho se wo na wo ye boga o onfa ho se wo ye boga wo fra brochira ba wo nko wa busua mu na wo ye the heir to your family. No, Kuro Ghana no, we are not doing politics. So some of us we are not doing politics and nearby NCC Ghana no and in somewhere yet no and yen in the Ghana Police Department they ba out to mamote and some na yet no and yen in the Ghana Police they ba to ho uko sechi amote crime rate, the level of crime rate now, cost where you Kromugano, more than what Nigeria is. Because listen, if you calculate Nigeria, the land size of Nigeria, go to Africa map and look at the size of Nigeria and look at the size of Ghana and compare the crime rate at Ghana. Compare it with the size and the population of Nigeria. Ghana crime rate is bigger than Nigeria. And Ghana crime rate is bigger than Nigeria. If you look at how Nigeria, their size is, if you look at population, and if you look at this Ghana, look at African map, Ghana shall yet to say peanuts. And the kind of crime rate, Yekomuna, Massa, Yekuro Ghana, Nancy Amosha mo free a Belgium. I stand to be corrected. Bogesia or call ya with in the ma and in a year. Yakumo Che Canadian young boy ya me according is alleged. Canadian young boy ya is alleged. Say, me girlfriend, me ex-girlfriend, African, were John the bad boy, what in free Canada. And then the wife was say, oh, be my ex-girlfriend, so yamwa. I'm going to help him or her. I'm going to help her. Now the guy is dead. We always come on social media and we always tell bad news. Nankiyana kandi more good news to be tea. More good news to be tea. I'm out for inventing Yamamomo Obika. And then you walk more and Ghana 6 o'clock. I did better Ghana for you. The Amobatin Adum TV, Shra FM, Peace FM. It's all about murder, killing. And your cocoa rubber nibi, your repua korakitwabi. I don't cast your boy. I was so. I do my kobi, and ya say, can be a friend kind, kept go to Kwamu, a Koshiwa, I'm a nipad was saying, and Brasano or Maka because the people don't feel their pain. Ghana for no mutimono, they are used to it. Some of us, you could do Ghana, yes, so look at the video. This is not said, yes, money bo. Was say, and Nicky man say, sugar, but the armed robbers told Kofi that they are hungry and the government is not helping. Kofi Adoma, many anti bebre, so Kofi Adoma is alive because me penasem. Me, the way I see Kofi Adoma is like say, and the Sinkupa, I see Kofi Adoma Senka America Hanwo with the level of journalism, sending the level of journalism, Sintiana. And Kofi Adoma, wo US yanka CNN and the Sinkupa, a bini Kofi Adoma, yes, what I deal with fear, yeah. But this kind of journalists, yes, sorry, mo pages adan etokesiye. Mo pages adan no foka kabraba. Meboa, no for na mo show wo mo pages so. Mo pages adan kwasiasem the maximum rate of the goodness amode mo page you know kitwa bi wo bete wo bada na wo bete wo kuru sha me kuru anhweme wo bete wo kuru otimi no woda wo da bi otimi no wona. These are the because you people want what the views will watch. You people want views instead of making your page impacting something in your country Ghana. I am not saying said you took of Yado man do. And yamede. But this is why I'm ranting member will be so one to me joining freedom fighters. Kawano tum. So one to me joining a crowd outside to say you move your ye anymore. Wama diabatu say you drew Ghana airport. Wama ba kwaye ya. Share chile na support you because penny for baby support you. Penny for baby support you, but they cannot show their face due to a more profession. It's good. But who journalists if we be near Batsana or more FM stations with a lot of views and Uncolana or more Abano or Masana or Mokano Aba Mupa Entino Enka Wamutimi Eyatem Didianifra. We are speaking about if you go to Ghetto, what the Ghetto brothers are talking about. That is what we come on live to tell you people. We are talking about how the girls are hungry. That is how we come out to tell you people. We tell you people what is going on with ordinary young guy who is very frustrated, who cannot get job to do. Now only fear, only Obrimpombia when fear obedin and imako pejuma. We are speaking for this kind of people. Sadi pano, or train any baby and then who is we are said in Apro. And to me sugar drops in me, their whole wedding mechi. Abedru Ghana. Very innocent. Who knows what I'm doing back door to help ghetto brothers? Who knows what I'm doing back door to help ghetto brothers and sisters?
Ebusia ane KOFI ADOMAH wani asema eto no a yi na ebede nyame asese omanjene nkwa emfem finisem eno ane de abesom wa Attention TV se da asema monihwa moniti